Did you know that coral polyps, the tiny architects of the ocean, build their massive reefs by literally spitting limestone? These minuscule creatures secrete calcium carbonate, which forms the hard skeleton of coral reefs. It's like a construction site where the workers are spitting out bricks. This quirky method allows them to create vast underwater cities that support countless marine species. Next time you see a coral reef, remember it's built by nature's tiniest spitters. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating ocean facts.